It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Thursday, the 25th of January. I'm Michael Groff. A big warm-up comes in here this weekend, and for much of next week, temperatures going way above average, all the way up toward record levels. Just how long does the heat last, and do we have any hope at seeing any rain anytime soon? I think you all know the answer to that, but let's talk about it anyway as we take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 76 degrees, the high in the valley after a morning low of 49, and you can see we are already a half inch of rain behind where we should be. And we're not even a month into the year 2018. Outside right now, here at 6:15 a.m., we start this day out under mostly clear skies. It's 50 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 16, relative humidity 25%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning are just all over the place. Upper 30s in some of the coldest valley locations, but low 50s for us here in the urban core. It's 47 here in Arcadia, where I do these videos from. The water vapor satellite view, we've got an upper trough moving into the Pacific Northwest, and that will be a minor weather maker for us here in Arizona, which we'll talk about momentarily. We see that on the watch warning map with some wind advisories across northern Arizona for places like Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon, Page, Winslow. So if you're heading up there, be aware of that. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in the Pacific Northwest, red flag advisories in the nation's midsection, dense fog advisories for the Dakotas, Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska. Elsewhere around the nation, it's pretty quiet, though. Convective outlook for today, no severe weather expected, but some thunderstorms possible along the Pacific coast. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days, forget it, nothing for us statewide, as that trough will pass by harmlessly to the north of Arizona. We'll talk about it, though, as we get out to the models and dissect the details of our weather. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. There's your trough moving into the Pacific Northwest. Down below that at the surface. Today, mostly sunny here in the valley. We should climb into the low and middle 70s. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows in the 40s to about 50. And then tomorrow, that trough passes north of Arizona. It'll be a dry system for us this far south. All the dynamics and moisture stay well north of Arizona. Breezy conditions and high temperatures will be cooler. We'll be in the mid and upper 60s, but that'll be the coolest day that we'll see around here for quite some time. As we start a warm-up on Saturday, highs getting back into the low 70s. We'll be in the upper 70s to about 80 degrees on Sunday. Low 80s expected on Monday with mostly sunny skies. The record high there is 83, so we'll be pretty close to that. Low 80s again on Tuesday. Record high there is 82. Upper 70s to about 80 on Wednesday as troughing passes through the northern Rockies and out into the Plain States. Not going to have much of an impact on us. Again, high temperatures might fall back a couple of degrees. Here's a week from today. This is Thursday, the 1st of February. A dry northwest flow in place. We're still warm and dry. High temperatures, mid and upper 70s. Same thing for Friday the 2nd. And then here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Saturday the 3rd. Still a big cold trough across the northern plains, the Great Lakes, and through much of central Canada. But we stay warm and dry, high temperatures at least in the mid and upper 70s, and who knows, could even be warmer than that. The European, which was showing a cooler solution out toward the end of next week, has backed off of that and still keeps us with highs at least in the low and mid 70s. So looks like warm weather is here to stay for a while. Let's check the numbers coming off of the GFS ensemble. And these are temperatures that we'd expect to see maybe in March. I mean, look at that. High temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s, lows in the 50s. That is just not normal for this time of year. Needless to say, no chance of rain anytime soon, at least probably not for the next 10 to 15 days. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there, everybody, and have an absolutely awesome Thursday.